Hey everybody, Eagle Run 23 here. I really like all the cool little stickers, and you can see I don't really do anything with them except put them in a little Ziploc baggie here. But I just love all the cool stickers. Like AT3 Tactical's got just some cool, funny sayings. They've got this one with hook and loop, and that one by Zafari Precision. I just love these, and again, I don't do much with them. I just put them in a baggie and enjoy them for, I guess, for what they are. Sometimes I'll put them on a water bottle or something, but realistically, I'm not really doing too much with them. Even got these the other day from Firehole. Really cool. I'm sure most of you guys also enjoy getting stickers. And, you know, since we had Half Shop make up, you know, our hats here, I'm thinking I really need to get like some little stickers that I can send to people or do, you know, little live stream giveaways. And a lot of channels have stickers, and I'm like, I need to get some stickers. So many of you guys know I own a couple of companies, and I have a graphic designer that I work with on the regular. And then I also have, he's actually a friend of mine. He's not like on staff or anything, but just kind of does subcontract work for me. I was trying to get with him last week, and I realized he's really tied up in a couple of projects. And I'm like, well, one time before I sent a design over to FIVER. Have you guys heard of FIVER? It's where you like hire these people to do little design work for you. So I had some success one time before, and I thought, let's get with a FIVER and see if they can make us like a design. And I'll get a vinyl patch made up, maybe an embroidered patch. I don't have any embroidered patches here, but I do have some embroidered patches that different places have had, and then ultimately get a little sticker pack set up. And so I got with them and I sent them, you know, my logo. These actual two logos right here, these are actually logos that I made myself. Like, I am not a graphic designer, but I made those myself just using like Canva. So I'm not particularly talented, but I think those two came out pretty good. So anyway, I got with a FIVER person and I sent them this logo, and I said, hey, I've had this logo for my YouTube channel for a while. Do you have any other ideas for that? And this is what they sent me. Now, this is fine. It's just, you know, these, obviously not a gun person who made this, but I asked a FIVER person to make me a gun logo, and they've got the crosshairs on my beloved state of Texas, which I take mild offense to, but that's fine. And then they have these, like a Cricket 22 with a pullback cocker, like, you know, classic firearm right there. And then this logo right here, I showed them this, and I said, can we do one, you know, with like a Gadsden snake on it? This is where they start to get kind of funny. So I got this back, and realistically, this is fine. You know, it's in the category of like, I mean, it's somewhat comically cartoonish. Obviously, these are not of the same caliber, but it's in the category of being cartoonish. And I showed it to a couple different people. I sent it to some friends, and they said, it's fine, but why is the snake smiling? And I don't know why the snake is smiling. Like, maybe that would be like a undertone, you know, like the Gadsden snake is smiling because like they're gonna get their revenge or something. I don't know. So anyway, I told the girl, hey, let's run with this. I thought maybe it would be a cool vinyl patch. I said, but can you just make this smile just a straight line? Just like a straight line. That way it's not like the snake is smiling. And she was like, sure, I got you. And then she sent me this. Oh my gosh. So this is a smiling snake, and this is a not smiling snake. Okay, but it gets better. Okay, for this next one, I went to the 80% thing, and I told the girl, this is the same girl who did this design right here. And I said, hey, I want to do like a Funky's 80 vibe, and, you know, and be like, hey, you know, we like the 80s, and maybe be like, can you, so I sent her a black picture of one of these, and I said, can we do like a I heart the 80s or like a heart emoji and make it like like the I Love New York, some sort of 80s vibe to it. She was like, I got you. And then she sent me this, which if I were doing like an 80s kids birthday party, like that would be great for an 80s kids birthday party. Like maybe like a, hey, thanks for coming. I don't, it's kind of weird. Not really what I'm looking for, but she came back with this and I said, well, you didn't put the, the lower receiver in it. And I also said, I don't like these dots up here because I would probably get this as like a round sticker or something. Like, I don't really like the dots up there. The dots down here are fine. It's kind of Nickelodeon vibe down here, but whatever. And so I said, but it needs to incorporate, the black, and it's going to take some work to rework this in order to incorporate that. And this is where I'm like, is this person trolling me? Because this is what they sent me. They just moved the dots over and stuck the lower receiver in there. And that's not really what I was looking for. Also, I told them I wanted it to say Eagle Run 2-3 on it, just from a branding perspective, because if you had a sticker out there and it didn't have your logo on it, no one would know where it came from. So I paid the lady, I left her a $5 tip, and I told her I was going to go in another direction. Oh, man. So I hired another Fiverr person about the same time, and I asked them for some different designs. I did not ask them to work on my logo at all. I told them I wanted, the same 80s, but this time I wanted it to be the pistol 80%. And this is what they sent me. Now, I really like this. I don't know if can you guys see it all on there? Yeah, I don't know. This would be a cool sticker, like on a water bottle or something. Obviously, it's blown up real big here so you guys can see it. It would be, like a 2-inch. It would be like a sticker like that big right there. But anyway, I like this. I think they did a good job. They got my vibe. They stuck the, where it fits, and they got a couple of bullets on there. Dig it. We got maybe a bullet coming out of a barrel or a crosshair thing. Anyway, dig it. Totally cool. And then the other one I asked them was, hey, we say we're professional homeowners, and your results may vary because I'm a professional homeowner. I thought this would be a really cool, like maybe do this one as a sticker or something. You could put that, on your water bottle, or do it maybe as a patch. I don't know what's going to be what yet. I'm just kind of playing around with some stuff here, but I think he got this one good. I like this one. Let me know what you guys think. And then the last one is maybe one of my favorites. So I was kind of looking for like a funny like saying that's like one of the things that, like, you should not say. Like, what is something a person with a gun should not say? And the first thing that came to mind was, it's okay, it's not loaded. I'm not a 50 BMG guy, but we got 250 BMGs on here. I asked him for a Texas flag, so that might be changing over to a Texas flag later. And then it says firearms safety. It's okay, it's not loaded. Anyway, that might look good as like a embroidered patch or something with that camo background. I don't know. Anyway, but I saw this and I thought, I think you guys might like to see this. Maybe you can get a laugh out of this with me today. So yeah, the Eagle Run 2-3 Smiling Gadsden sticker. Realistically, what if I just did this just for fun? I don't know if I can do that. Those patches are kind of expensive, and the stickers, they aren't cheap. Should I do this just as a joke? All right, I'll let you go, guys. Thanks for watching.